Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stock slices on Charles Schwab. Stock slices allow you to invest in fractional shares of a company, making high-priced stocks more accessible. You can start investing with as little as $5, which is a great way to begin diversifying your portfolio across many different companies. This method helps you build wealth over time, even with a smaller initial investment. Before you can purchase stock slices, you'll need an active Charles Schwab brokerage account. Make sure your account is funded with the amount you wish to invest. You can easily access your account through the Schwab website or their convenient mobile application. It's always a good idea to quickly verify that all your personal information is current and accurate. Once logged in, search for the specific stock you're interested in buying. After finding it, select the trade option. This is where you'll specify your order. Crucially, choose dollar amount instead of shares to buy a stock slice. Then, simply enter the exact dollar amount you want to invest in that company. Before finalizing your investment, always take a moment to carefully review all the order details. Double-check the stock symbol and ensure the dollar amount you entered is correct. Once you are satisfied, submit your order to complete the purchase. You can then monitor your portfolio to see your new stock slice reflected in your holdings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.